Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
This is Alex, a young boy. Alex is learning English every day. He wants to practice while shopping. He writes a short shopping list. The list has milk and bread. It also has fruit and rice. Alex feels excited to practice English. He walks to the supermarket happily. The morning is sunny and bright. The doors of the supermarket open. He sees people coming in and out. Some people carry shopping bags. Some people push trolleys full. Alex smiles and walks inside. The supermarket feels big and busy. Alex takes a basket for shopping. He does not need a trolley. His list is small and light. He looks around slowly and carefully. He wants to say words in English. He walks to the fruit section. He sees fresh bananas on the table. He says, "Bananas. I need bananas." He takes 2 yellow bananas happily. He puts them inside his basket. Next, he sees red shiny apples. He says, "Apples. I love apples." He takes 3 apples with a smile. Now, he has fruit in his basket. He feels happy and proud inside. Alex walks to the bread section. He smells fresh bread on the shelf. The bread looks soft and tasty. He says, "Bread. I need bread." He takes 1 loaf of bread. He puts it in the basket carefully. Then he sees some brown cookies. He says, "Cookies? Sweet cookies? Yummy." He takes 1 small packet of cookies. He smiles and feels excited again. The bakery section is full of smell. Some people buy cakes and muffins. A little girl is holding a donut. Alex looks at his basket again. It is slowly getting full now. Now Alex goes to the dairy section. He sees milk, butter, and cheese. He remembers the milk on his list. He says, "Milk. I need milk." He takes 1 small carton of milk. He puts it in his basket carefully. The milk is cold and fresh. Next, he looks at the cheese. He says, "Cheese? Maybe next time." He smiles and walks away slowly. The section is very cold inside. Other people are buying yogurt. A boy is holding chocolate milk. Alex feels happy with his choice. He continues to the next aisle. Alex now walks to the rice section. He sees many bags of rice. Some bags are big and heavy. Some bags are small and light. He remembers his mother's request. She told him to buy rice. He says, "Rice, yes, rice today." He takes 1 small bag of rice. He puts it in his basket carefully. The basket is getting heavier now. He holds it with both hands. He feels a little bit tired, but he is also very proud. He is learning English with shopping. He feels smarter with every word. Alex walks to the drinks section. He sees water, juice, and soda. He thinks about what he needs. He says, "Juice? I like juice." He takes 1 small orange juice. He smiles and puts it inside. Then he sees bottles of water. He says, "Water is important daily." He takes 1 bottle of water. Now his basket is almost full. Other people are buying many drinks. A man is holding 2 sodas. A woman is buying apple juice. Alex looks around and feels happy. His shopping is almost complete now. Alex walks to the snack section. He sees chips, popcorn, and candy. He thinks, maybe one small snack. He says, chips. I want chips. He takes one packet of chips. He puts it in his basket happily. Then he sees some sweet candy. He says, candy? No, not today. He laughs and shakes his head. His basket is heavy and full. He feels excited to finish soon. He wants to go to the cashier. But first he checks his list. Milk, bread, rice, fruits, cookies, juice. Yes, everything is already inside. Alex walks to the cashier slowly. He sees people waiting in line. Some people have big shopping carts. Some people have only one item. Alex waits with his basket carefully. He looks at the counter ahead. A cashier is scanning the items. She smiles at every customer politely. Alex feels a little bit nervous, but he also feels very proud. He says the English words softly. Bananas, apples, bread, milk, rice. He repeats them in his mind. This makes him more confident. His turn is coming very soon. Now Alex stands at the counter. The cashier says, "Hello, good morning." Alex smiles and answers, "Good morning." He puts the basket on the table. The cashier starts scanning the items. She says, "Bananas, apples, bread." Alex listens to every single word. He repeats softly, "Bananas, apples, bread." She scans milk, rice, juice, and chips. Alex repeats, "Milk, rice, juice, chips." The cashier looks at him kindly. She knows he is practicing English. She says, "You are doing well." Alex smiles and feels very happy. The practice is working perfectly now. The cashier tells him the total. She says, $10, please. Alex takes money from his pocket. He gives the money politely. He says, "Here you are." The cashier takes the money kindly. She counts and gives him change. She says, "Thank you very much." Alex smiles and says, "Thank you." She puts the items in a bag. She hands the shopping bag to Alex. She waves and says, "Have a nice day." Alex answers, "Have a nice day." He feels proud of speaking English. Now he is ready to go home. Alex walks out of the supermarket. The sun is shining very bright. He holds his bag carefully in hand. The bag feels a little heavy, but his heart feels light and happy. He thinks about the new words: bananas, apples, bread, milk, rice, juice. These words are now easy for him. He repeats them again while walking. He practices English step by step. Other people are also walking outside. Some people are eating ice cream. Some people are talking with friends. Alex feels part of the busy world. Learning English makes him more confident. On the way home, Alex keeps practicing. He says, "I bought bananas today." He says, "I bought apples today." He repeats, "I bought bread today." Then, "I bought milk today." He continues, "I bought rice today." He adds, "I bought juice today." Finally, "I bought chips today." These sentences make him stronger. He walks with a big smile. People see him talking and smiling. They think he is very happy. But Alex is actually practicing English. This practice makes his English natural. He feels smarter with every step. Alex reaches home with his bag. His mother opens the door kindly. She smiles and says, "Welcome home." Alex gives her the shopping bag. She looks inside at the items. She says, "Good job, Alex." She is happy with his shopping. She is proud of his effort. Alex tells her about the practice. He says, "I used English words." He repeats the shopping list again. His mother claps and says, "Excellent." Alex feels very proud of himself. Shopping became a fun English lesson. He wants to do it again. That night, Alex writes in his notebook. He writes all the new words. He writes bananas, apples, bread, milk. He writes rice, juice, chips, cookies. He also writes supermarket, basket, cashier. He says them slowly and clearly. He makes small sentences for practice. I have bananas. I eat bread. I drink milk. I like juice. I go to the supermarket today. These sentences are very simple, but they are very powerful too. Alex feels stronger in English now. He knows practice makes perfect. He closes his notebook with pride. The next day, Alex feels confident. He wants to learn even more. He plans to visit the supermarket again. He will buy other items this time. He will practice new English words, maybe vegetables, meat, or chocolate cake. He smiles at the new challenge. English is not scary anymore. It is fun, simple, and useful. Daily practice makes a big difference. Alex is not just shopping. He is building his English life. Step by step, word by word. He is becoming fluent every day. The supermarket became his classroom.